we do have this subscribe thingy that we did on the episode 6, and then we added some effects on episode 7. Make sure that we save this. Okay, I'm going to save this, choose my folder here, I'm going to write it subscribe. Now if I toggle on transparency here, you can see this is an actual transparent asset, but there are different ways in which you can export. If we come to export here, choose add to render, and this will open up. Okay, on the render settings here, leave it to best settings. Okay, you can see the resolution is full, size is 1920 by 1080, and click OK. On the output mode, you can see if I click on it, the format is H.264. This is actually good if you want to export small sizes, also HD if you want to export straight to play into devices like TV, YouTube, and other stuff. Take the H.264. It's a good format for different devices. Click OK. Click on this drop down arrow here. Now you'll see you have other options here. If you want to export it without a background, you can actually choose high quality with alpha, and it will turn the codec into MOV, in which you'll export your file size into MOV. The only problem is the size will be massive. Other people tend to export the alpha channel only, and it will only come out as white, and then they will export a H.264, and then they will actually go ahead and kind of track mat it or something in Premiere Pro when they are using it. It will come out with a low size, but why have the alpha channel separate and stuff while you can actually just export this asset with a transparent background? The only problem is the file size might be too huge. I'm going to pick here on the output. You can actually choose where you want your file to be exported. So I'm going to rename this to subscribe button, and I'm going to save this. Now when I click on render, just like that, my asset is rendered. You can see we have our asset right here. Also on the export settings here, you can actually take this project and take it into Adobe Premiere Pro, and then after that you can actually export it from the Adobe Premiere Pro. But also you have the option here to add it to the media encoder, and it can keep on exporting while you are working on minor adjustment or something else in After Effects. Meanwhile you are working, meanwhile it's exporting in real time. So as you can see, this is the one with the background. It's only 3.70 MBs, and this one has an alpha channel and it's 74 MBs, and it's only 5 seconds. So imagine if you are exporting something with 1 minute or something. This is what I consider to be a level 1 After Effects tutorial series. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment if this was actually helpful to you, and if you think I left anything out, you can actually recommend a tutorial for me to help you out, or if you want something to be explained in depth, make sure that you leave your thoughts on the comment below. As always, go out there and create something awesome.